Good evening, students. Okay, this is just a trial which I am doing, trial recording session. We would be given only 2 weeks to complete the portion, and I am afraid that we might not be able to complete the portion within 2 weeks. So I thought let's have some recording, like online record session, whatever it is called as online session, so that which will help us to complete our portion. So before the lockdown, we have completed 3 chapters of statistics, and we were doing permutation and combination. Permutation we finished, combination we almost finished. The last question which we did was, there are 20 points on a paper, of which 5 are collinear. Find the number of A, straight lines, B, triangles which can be formed from these points. Correct? So the first part, A, straight line, I had explained also and done on the board. I hope everybody have copied. And the second part, triangles which can be formed from these points, that I had explained, and I am not sure whether you copied or you did not copy. So I want you all to write the answer for the second part. Okay, so write down, to form a triangle, total points required are 3. Triangles cannot be formed out of collinear points. Therefore, number of triangles is equal to 20C3 minus 5C3. You have to solve this, right? 20 factorial divide by 20 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial, minus 5 factorial divide by 5 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. You have to solve this. I know that you all can solve by your own. Please solve it. When you solve, it comes to 1130. So from this we finish our combination part, and we are going to start probability soon. Okay, thank you everybody, and I hope everybody is doing well during this lockdown. Exams will happen, okay? So don't think that exams are cancelled or something like that. Exams will happen for sure, we just don't know when. Okay, so let's complete the portion and be ready.